everybody, it's Sunday today and I'm speaking really quietly because it's actually quite early in the morning. It's like 8 a.m. and I'm about to jump into my morning workout / stretch. I think I'm doing the 21-day challenge with Pilates or Cassie Ho, but I think today is the flexibility day, so I think we're just gonna be stretching, which is fine by me because I've honestly been working out every single day and it's been fun and all, but like some days you just want to relax.
Ooh, was that now? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking.
So I just steamed my face and I feel like my pores have really just loosened up because pores don't open and close like windows. But what happens is, like when you steam your face and you apply like heat to your face, is that the gunk inside of the pores loosens up and are easier to come out. So that's why it's really good for me now to put on a face mask. I don't usually put on face masks, but I thought because we're doing this Sunday reset routine that I might as well implement it. I don't know. I'm not really digging this bun, so I'm gonna put on the ears instead, and I'm gonna try to apply the makeup. I'm gonna try to apply the mask in the viewfinder. It might be a little bit difficult, but we'll see. I'm using the one, the Mega Greens Galaxy Pack from Glossier. It looks like this. So the reason why I am implementing this routine every Sunday from now on is because I feel like I always forget the things that I'm supposed to do next week, and the only way I remember them is through my phone and stuff, because for some reason like I do have a bullet journal, but I always forget that I have to make another spread on Sunday for like, you know, the next week and Monday. If I'm making a new spread, I might as well like check in on myself and see like what the things are that I need to do for the week, such as like cleaning. Maybe I haven't really vacuumed for the week or anything like that, something like that. And just like doing a face mask, because those are the things that I also forget to do. Like I'm very diligent in doing my skincare routine and all, and I'm very good at taking care of my hair and everything, but I just thought it might be good to have a specific dedicated day to do the bigger things, tracking my expenses for the week, stuff like that, watering my plants, because it's also something I really forget to do. Is it tattoo on my heart? Also, in order for me to make YouTube videos, I need to really make sure that I am home when it's daylight outside, which is a very limited time, as you can probably tell from my previous videos, that the lighting has been really, really bad, and it's because it's only bright between like 10 a.m. to probably 2 p.m. So I have like a very, very limited window. Probably today when it gets darker, I'm going to sit and finish my YouTube video, which is coming up tomorrow. I have such a short attention span, and I forget stuff so easily. Like I'll think about something, and if I don't write it down, or if I don't tell someone, or if I don't do it right away, I will 100% forget about it. So that's why I have this like bullet journal in the first place, because it helps me to keep up with my routines. It helps me to just check in with myself to see where I am.
Not only the young maestro. Surely the entire Mozart family would have felt the repercussions had their boy stayed forever in Salzburg.
Just an update on what I've been up to. I vacuumed the room finally. I cleaned all the surfaces. How good of me. And I finally cleaned out the pots of plants which were dying already 2 weeks ago. So that's done. It's even echoing in my room now because I've been throwing away like old packages and all the boxes and like bags. And I'm doing this because I don't want to change the position of my camera. But as you can see, I'm trying to make some sort of pattern with the greens now so that it looks more natural. And as long as you don't look at it up close, I think it's fine because I'm actually putting like normal, just like clear tape on it. Okay, so it's time to do my weekly spread for next week, and all I'm just doing is redrawing the same weekly spread that I'm doing for January. And yeah, just gonna write down everything that I want to get done and make it as neat as possible. Okay guys, so I am officially done with my whole routine. The only thing that I haven't done is laundry, but that's only because I feel like I don't have much laundry to do right now, and I'd rather have it fill up before I do it. So I haven't done that, and I haven't done my editing yet for my YouTube video that's coming up tomorrow. But I'm going to do that as soon as it gets darker because I thought I would appreciate that it's daylight so that I can actually finish this video by saying thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this type of video, this type of like routine, montage-y kind of video of just me doing little tasks of the day. I thought it'd be fun to just record myself doing these type of things, and I really want to continue making more of them. So I feel like if I film myself, I can actually see that I'm doing stuff. I am actually being productive and I don't have to beat myself up about it. Now I'm just going to edit some Instagram posts that I can upload hopefully next week, and then just edit my YouTube video, and I'll just chill for the rest of the day, probably watch Bridgerton because I've really gotten into it now. The actor, like I can't even, he's so handsome. Reggie Jean, I don't know how to say his name, but he is like super handsome, guys. Just having him in the show makes it worthwhile. So I shall see you in my next one. Bye now.